I'm Ashley Wimberly. I am head of PR at LTK. I'm responsible for telling the LTK story through the media. I've been in public relations for just about 2 decades now, which has been an incredible journey of unbelievable challenges and also opportunities. And I've had the privilege of working alongside some incredible people that have led me on my path and where I'm at today. What makes me feel empowered in the workplace is being heard, and being heard for my expertise and what I can bring to the table, being able to collaborate and work alongside others. Everybody faces unique challenges in their career. And I think what it really comes down to is building an environment and a culture that's open and inclusive and positive. And I'm just really proud to be here and be part of that. I am so fortunate to have had incredible women in my life inspiring my career path. And I just hope that everything that I'm doing in my life and my journey, that I instill those same core values to my own daughter and set her up for success in this world.